G'day collectors, my name's Greg. I'm the Research and Development Manager for Authentic Collectables, and today we're doing an unboxing. Right, well, after the last round of unboxing, it seems that you guys really like this stuff, so we're going to do it again. It's clearly something about the internet that I just don't fathom, but hey, give them what they want, right? Let's get started. Whew, boy howdy, that took a little bit longer than I expected, but thanks to time-lapse photography, it shouldn't take nearly as long for you guys. Okay, so these are our production samples. These get sent down from the factory pretty much as a container's being packed. We'll get a number of cars sent down to us from the factory to start the process of getting everything sorted. So part of that is advertising, which is kind of what we're doing here. Part of that is licensing. Talking to teams, getting everything sorted out. So these are the first time we really get to see what the production cars actually look like. So let's pick a car and we'll dive right in. Well, here we have our 1/18 scale VE SS Commodore, as done as the New South Wales Police highway patrol car. There's a lot of details on this car that actually make it quite interesting to have a look at. Obviously, it's got full police livery on it. Light bars, LED screen at the back, aerials all over the place. If you have a look on the sides here, we've got our radar detector, headlights. There's also a little bit of fun stuff in the boot. If we have a look in there, there's a set of LED lights on the back. We've also got our fire extinguisher in there. Not to mention there's a full console on the inside of the car, which is a bit hard to show you here. But yeah, basically everything you would expect in a VE cop car from 2007, we've tried replicating this one. I reckon it's a little stunner. Here we've got the 1/18 Mustang that's raced by Penrite Racing Team, as driven by Todd Hazelwood in the Sydney Super Night of 2023. Finished in what I can only describe as just a gorgeous colour. It's boracay blue. The colour is just so deep, it looks like you could stick your hand in it and swirl it around. I think it's an amazing car. It really does stand apart from a lot of the other stuff. Yeah, go and check it out. Here's one that I quite like. This is the Mustang from Penrite Racing Team that was the wildcard at the 2023 Bathurst 1000, as driven by Jake Kosticki and Aaron Love. Finished in the Petronas colours. The thing that really stands out for me, that teal just pops, not to mention it's actually got all the chrome striping and it's not painted silver, it is actually a chrome look. I think it's an outstanding model, not to mention all the carbon fibre detail that was on the actual original car we've done on this one. This is a very low production run, so these are going to sell out super quick. Get on it while you can. Here's a couple of bright models. These really almost need sunglasses, they're so bright. These are the 2019 entries from Erebus Motorsport in the Bathurst 1000, both in 18th scale and 43rd. I remember doing these cars basically straight after Bathurst because I just thought they were cool. And we never actually got around to doing them until now. We had a few issues in trying to get that chrome look to work. The factory sort of went, no, we can't do it. And then after about 2 or 3 years, they're like, yeah, we can do it. And then when we actually finally got around to doing them, I think they've actually turned out to be superlative models. To try and get a chrome gold and then a chrome red on at the same time is actually quite a feat, but they've managed to do it absolutely perfectly in both scales as well, which is really surprising considering how much harder it is to do 1/43rd scale stuff. These two are also extremely low numbers. So yeah, if you are interested, you've really got to eat your Wheaties and get in quick because they're not going to last very long. Well, if you've been watching some of our other videos, you might have seen the development video we did on the copper rockets. And guess what? They're finally here. Well, at least half of them are. This is the Matt Payne Adelaide 500 winner. The number 26 David Reynolds GC600 winner is still on its way, so we'll be seeing that a bit later on. But as a first taste of a production model, this looks pretty sick. I'm pretty happy with the way it's turned out. It's pretty well bang on. These ones, there's actually a few more than you'd expect, so you can grab one when you want one, but keep an eye out for David Reynolds GC600 winner as well once that comes out. Well, if you watched the last unboxing video we did, you would have seen the 1/18th version of these two, which is the HRT VE Commodores from the 2014 Bathurst 1000. We've now got them in 1/43rd scale as well. And everything that was good about those cars in 1/18th is just as good in 43rds. I think they're two brilliant little models. All the same details. You know, we've got absolutely eye-melting day-glow red cars with a metallic white pearl on them. They are pretty well spot on the same as the 18ths. If you're into 43rds, grab these two. So, second verse, same as the first. We've got Sandown cars this time. If you watched the last video, you would have seen that we had the 1/18th scale Erebus Motorsport VF and the FGX from 23 Red Racing / Milwaukee Racing. We've now got them in 43rds as well. The detail on these things is absolutely superb. I think they're actually almost better as a 43rd than an 18th, slightly. But yeah, if you guys are interested in that and you're actually 43rd collectors, these two are actually probably worth getting into your collection. I think they're bloody brilliant. Last of the 43rds is the 2018 Shell V-Power Racing FGX, as raced by Scotty Mack and Alex Prema in the 2018 Super Cheap Bathurst 1000. They were a third place getter, so first podium for the boys. If you have been collecting 43rds and you are a Shell V-Power Racing Team fan, this is probably a good one to get. We'll be doing reasonably low numbers on this, so there'll be a bit of a rarity. Jump in while you can. I bug it up. I thought we were done. Turns out there was one I missed. What a goose. All right, let's get this one unboxed and have a good look. Thank goodness. I'm going to do it. Oh.
It's all gone wrong.
It's all gone Pete Tong here. Okay, what have we got here? This is one of the Shell V-Power Racing Mustangs. This is from the 2023 Bathurst 1000, as driven by Anton De Pasquale and Tony D'Alberto. This is the first of the two. We're still waiting on the other ones to come. Basically, it just worked out that when the container was full, we couldn't get the other ones in. That's the way it sometimes goes. This is actually a brilliant rendition of one of the Mustangs from Shell V-Power Racing. Obviously, being a Bathurst car as well, it's got a little bit something extra. Keep an eye out for this one, and also keep an eye out for the number 17 car driven by the brothers Davison, which we're also doing. Yeah, let's carry on. Well, that's not a bad haul. That's going to be coming down in the next container, which will be here probably in about a month's time, and then after that we'll basically be releasing them over the next month after that. So keep an eye out for the next couple of months as we go through these cars. Obviously there's going to be more stuff in the pipeline as well, so keep an eye out on the channel for later videos. Do all the usual stuff like subscribe, register your interest in these cars on our website, or go and see your local stockist, and we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Here we have the Cool Drive car from